GoPro is one of the most widely popular video action cameras for adventure enthusiasts and photographers. They are known for their compact design, durability, and impressive image stabilization. The brand introduced Hero 11 series in September last year, which means you're getting a successor soon, and it's most likely to be called the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Some key specs of it has been revealed. It will come with minor cosmetic changes compared to the predecessor. It has the same dimensions and compact design of the Hero 11 Black. One noticeable change is the body material on the upcoming uh, offering will feature a small blue colored speckles compared to the plain black. The report adds that the action camera will retain the 2.27-inch main display on the rear and 1.4-inch screen on the front. It will feature a 27 megapixel 1 by 1.9 inch camera sensor just like its predecessor. Video screen grabs will be limited to 24.7 megapixels. With this, users will be able to shoot in 8 and 10 bit settings. The action camera will support up to 5.3K video recordings at 60 frames per second with support for HDR. It will also pack features like Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, horizon lock, hyperview, hypersmooth auto boost, and more. It will be powered by the same 1720 mAh Enduro battery, but it will offer slightly longer usage up to 70 minutes when shooting 5.3K at 60 frames per second. Shooting Full HD videos will last up to 2.5 hours. It's tipped to be launched on September 13 and will carry a price tag of around €449.